Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet some drapery tiebacks or curtain tiebacks. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays and sometimes a bonus in between. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Work a foundation chain that is 18 inches long. Or work the chain to whatever length you need your drapery tiebacks to be. In the third stitch from the hook, 1, 2, 3, double crochet. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through the remaining 2 loops. Go ahead and double crochet in every stitch all the way across the chain. Like that, all the way across the chain. Okay, I worked a double crochet in every stitch all the way across the row. At the end of the row, chain 2 and turn. Work a front post double crochet in the first stitch. To make a front post double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert the hook under the post of the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. Work a regular double crochet in the next stitch. Front post double crochet in the next. Double crochet in the next. Like that. Repeat all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. And that's how that looks. Chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. Double crochet in each stitch across the row. Just a regular double crochet in each stitch. Like that, all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, making 1 double crochet in each stitch. Chain 2 and turn. And now I'm going to repeat this row of front post double crochet. Yarn around the hook, under the post of the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Double crochet in the next stitch. Front post double crochet in the next. Double crochet in the next. You're going to repeat that all the way across the row. Front post and a regular double crochet all the way across the row. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked all the way across the row. So I have a row of double, a row of front post double crochet, a row of double, a row of front post double crochet. And that's how it will look from this side. These are reversible. You can use either side as the front. So you can have 2 ridges across your tiebacks, or you can have this just 1 ridge in the center with these protruding stitches. And that's it. Now you can fasten off, weave your yarn back into the finished work, and you can hook your tiebacks through one of the stitches on the ends. And that's how easy it is to crochet these drapery tiebacks. This plant holder, I'm going to work with 2 strands of worsted weight yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join in the first stitch to form a ring. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Double crochet in the ring. Chain 1. Double crochet in the ring. Repeat to make 12 double crochet in the ring, and this first chain 3 will take the place of a double crochet and a chain 1 space. So chain 1, double crochet. So continue around. Okay, I worked all the way around and I have 12 double crochet. At the end of the row, I'm going to chain 1, and then I'm going to slip stitch to join in the second stitch of that first chain 3. Now I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet in the chain 1 space between the double crochets. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet in the space between the double crochets. Repeat all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. I have one last loop to make. To make the last loop so that I end up in the center of the loop, I'm going to chain 2, and then I'm going to double crochet in the base of that first chain 5. And so that means I'll end up in the center of a loop, so I can go right to the next row and start making my next row of loops. And this stitch might be difficult to find, so I'm going to place a stitch marker there. So now I'm going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet in the next loop, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet in the next loop. Now you repeat across the row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet in the next loop. And you repeat that all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. I have one more loop to complete, so I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to make a double crochet in the base of that first chain 5. Now if you want to make another row, you will just continue, do the same thing, chain 5, but move your stitch marker over and work all the way around in the same way. And I already have one here, and I have worked 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and I have 12 loops around. And I chained 2 cords with 3 strands of worsted weight yarn, and they are both the same length. Divide your circle evenly and attach a cord directly opposite on the circle. So attach one cord directly opposite, and then take the other cord and attach it directly opposite, like that, and then you will hang it from here, and hanging it this way will let you adjust these so that they hang evenly. So you'll just place your pot inside like that, and this will accommodate many different sizes of pots. If you don't have rings like this, you could just tie the cords into the top row of loops. And I added a tassel on the bottom with some beads, and I'll put a link below for my video on how to make a tassel. And there's an easy plant hanger that you can make.